The last time that Wolves were here, that was in the final home game last season. That was a joyous occasion. It was 4 days after Crystal Palace had lifted the FA Cup. Eze and Gehi celebrating. I'll come back to that in a moment, because this is an opening and that could easily be a penalty. Wharton going through the back and he points to the spot, Thomas Kirk. And Palace in real bother just before the break.
There's a challenge there. That's a free kick by Pino. Referee plays on. Unfortunately for Wharton, he's left between a rock and a hard place. Needs to make that
in front of the Holmesdale end at Selhurst Park. Rockadare, Henderson makes the save.
So reliable, the Crystal Palace goalkeeper, and he is loved here at Selhurst Park. I mean, the penalty does leave a little bit to be won.
Tyrick Mitchell, Guessand! Evann Guessand off the bench to get his first goal for Crystal Palace. Well, they needed that.